Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting the project sample rate to 48,000 Hz and creating a Fairlight timeline so audio syncs correctly. Once done, import files into the media pool and drag them into a dedicated track to keep dialogue separate from effects and music. You do this because isolated tracks make processing safer and reversible. Now label tracks and enable track monitoring so you can hear changes in real time. This prevents accidental edits and speeds the next steps. You trim extraneous material with the cut tool and zoom in to remove breaths and clicks. Doing precise edits reduces the amount of processing you'll need later. Next, apply noise reduction and a de-esser as clip-level FX to control hiss and sibilance without damaging tone. Then use an EQ to roll off below 80 Hz and gently reduce harsh mids. These changes clean the spectrum, so compression works more musically. Make sure to preview in context with other tracks as you adjust. You now place a compressor on the track or bus using roughly a 3:1 ratio and aim for 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction to even levels without squashing dynamics. Once compressed, automate volume rides and panning to keep clarity between voice and music. Bussing similar elements helps you apply final glue with one master limiter. When ready, export using broadcast wave or a 48K/24-bit file for delivery. If loudness is off, check bus routing and rerun a final loudness pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.